If you have something good going for yourself in your relationship now, don't take it for a ride and don't take it for granted. Alright, viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. On this particular episode of Palava, a girl is in a relationship, right? And she thinks that she can take her man for a ride by telling the man, let's have a break in this relationship. I don't need to say much. Take a look at this video and see what happened.
Let me tell you how I learned the hard way never to take a man's niceness, kindness, gentleness for stupidity. So it was during the time my man and we had a disagreement and we just could not see eye to eye. And because I was just so tired and so over it, I now said, let's break up. The boy now said, okay. I said, okay, how? Bao. Asper. What do you mean by okay? I'm telling you, let's break up. You're telling me okay. Like, kilo day now. Why? It's never that serious now. You were supposed to tell me, no, you are the love of my life. You are the one I've chosen. We die here. You're not going anywhere. This is my last bus stop. Which one is okay? Bami Soro now. Which one is okay? I was now in shock, but I was like, it's fine. He'll come back to beg me later. And then we will go back to how things were. 1 week passed, 2 weeks passed, 3 weeks passed. My guy did not return. I said, Bamio, they have taken my man away. My blood is not flowing again. Please, you push, come and help me. I realized it was because I got too familiar with him. What I mean by that is, throughout the relationship, he would do anything and everything just to please me. Even if I'm the one that vexes him, he'll be the one to come and apologize. Even if I'm the one in the wrong, he'll be the one to initiate us getting back on track. So I'm so used to that. In my head, I'm like, that's what it's supposed to be now. That's not how it's supposed to be, because as I went outside and I started dating other people, those ones. If you say one, they've said two and they've already gone. Excuse me, that's not how we do things here. You're supposed to fight for me. I learned that, there will come a time where the man will no longer take your nonsense. And it's going to be painful, because instead of me communicating that, hey, I actually do not want to break up, I actually said let's break up because I was scared, and this is like my defensive mechanism. Instead of communicating, I chose not to communicate, and it cost me the relationship. And that was because I thought he would always come back. He would never go anywhere. He's always going to be here. So I thought I could just play, I learned how to communicate. Talk your feelings. Don't take their actions for stupidity. Don't take their niceness, their kindness, their gentleness. It's because they like you. But if you're always expecting it from them, one day it will shock you. You regret it. You regret all the bad character that you're showing him. You regret.
All right, you've heard her firsthand. Hey man, some women feel that some men, they don't get sense. Now you have something good going and the guy is quiet, he doesn't give you wahala, nothing, and you want to be promised. It's not bad for you as a person to want your relationship or the person, your partner, right, to be promising you love at all times. It's very beautiful. Yes, women crave attention, but it is not enough reason for you to start hyping and making your partner in your relationship feel less of a person. Because a lot of people, a lot of people do it. You will be in a relationship and you feel you want to flex the rubber, the stretch. Now she said that 3 weeks after telling the guy let's break up, you want to test run a human being. Some men actually do this thing. They test run girls. You use somebody to test run. How can you be test running somebody in the name of I want to know whether you love me so much? Now 3 weeks I've gone down the line. If they feel in blood the hot. The guy no dey again. Nobody they call him again. No money no they come. I come clear. They say if breeze blow, fire yash open. Fire yash don't open. This one quietly serve herself breakfast without stress. You quietly serve yourself breakfast without stress. In the name of I want attention. You don't get attention. This is why some people take their relationship for granted. I said initially in this video, if you have something good going in your relationship, please do not take it for a ride, or don't take your partner for granted. Because say it and I will say it again, kindness is a choice, right? It's not a weakness. Because some people feel that because I am kind to you, I am weak. That person is not weak, right? If somebody is kind to you, please the person is not weak. This lady played with fire and got what she deserved. Let's continue the conversation on the comment section. As well, protect your peace. Don't forget to like and thumbs up the video and turn up your notification bell. I'm your girl Bella. Peace out.